Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and a viewer or a subscriber sent me this file and wanted to know how to do this quicker than filling in the individual blocks or individual shapes. So she was taking her Smart Fill tool and she actually sent me a file that looked just like this. And she goes, so that takes this would take a long while, especially when you get down into the smaller ones, and that would take a while. So I took her file and kind of critiqued it and looked at it, and what she did, she started out with a diamond pattern, and I figured out she rotated it 6 degrees. So this is really easy. Let's go back to where I had them filled in. And matter of fact, you could do this. Just for the video, I'm going to move this to about 10 inches. I'm going to grab those shapes. I'm going to move them out of the way for a second. I'm going to group all this together. Control G. Whoop, I made a duplicate of it. Group it together. Control G. I'm going to group these together. Then I'm going to put them right back. So this is where she started. And I'm going to show you how fast you can color in all those shapes. Control D and make a duplicate of it. Double click on the X and move it to the center. And then rotate it 6 degrees. Control D. Somehow I flipped that. Let's start back when I made a duplicate. Let's see if I still have a duplicate. Okay, here we go, starting over. Okay, Control D and make a duplicate of it. Move it to the center and rotate it 6 degrees. Then just hit Control D a number of times. And remember that we grouped our hairlines together, so we can grab those hairlines and move them out of the way. And there's that copy done in a fraction of the time it would have taken you to fill in. And it's a pretty neat design because it kind of looks like it's falling in a hole. It looks like this has a little slight turn to it. Anyway, so that's how to fill it in a little faster. And that would work with a multiple of items. I do that all the time. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.